Welcome to another Clarity Chat where we eliminate confusion and help you grow your business. I'm Scott Evans from Gorilla 360. We're an agency that helps you grow with smart digital marketing. Today we're going to talk about stinky rankings. So why do your rankings stink, or why are you really low down for your keywords? Look, there's heaps of things that go into SEO. Google's allegedly got 200 different ranking factors that they consider when they look at how high your website ranks. What we're going to just talk about today is these three biggies. So every couple of years, Moz, a really well-respected SEO, education, data provider, things like that, platform puts out their local search ranking factors. What's come out consistently and most recently is these are the top three. So number one, in terms of what impacts your rankings, is link signals. So what does that actually mean? It means the link signals coming from backlinks that are coming into your website. So that's what backlinks are. They're hyperlinks from other websites that come to your website. So link signals are things like, how many of those links have you got? Are they coming from good, strong websites? What's the credibility of those websites that are linking to you? Number two is on-page signals. So this is the second most important thing in terms of getting your rankings up. So on-page signals include stuff like, how are you utilizing keywords across important parts of your website? Things like page titles and the copy on your pages and headings and things like that. So that's a really low-hanging fruit one where you can impact that today if you wanted to start ripping into it. And the third one's kind of new, like in terms of SEO world, and this is like behavioral signals. It's been around for a few years now, but this is how people are actually interacting with your website, and this has become more and more important from a ranking impact. So what it means is, are people clicking through from search results to your website? How long are they staying on your site for? How are they interacting with your website? Clicking on phone numbers, things like that. I'd encourage you to Google Moz search ranking factors, take a look, understand what things impact your rankings, and then start fixing your stinky rankings.